Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing great. Many of us have experienced car battery drain after leaving the vehicle unused for an extended period. If you are a Grand Vitara or GV owner post 2012 model, here's a practical solution to help prevent this issue. This video demonstrates how to schedule a cold start or remotely activate the AC using Maruti Suzuki Connect app. From my experience, GV battery typically lasts up to 15 days without needing a recharge. Since GV model equipped with telematics, faster battery drain is common and a part of normal operation. This feature is also very useful when you have planned a trip and want your car engine warmed up in advance. Simply schedule a cold start and your vehicle will be ready to go when you are. I have been using this feature to cold start the engine before starting any trip and avoid unnecessary delay. The process is very quick and takes max a minute. I will guide you the process using Maruti Suzuki Connect app. Prerequisite: you should have a subscription of Maruti Suzuki Connect feature. We'll discuss how to get the subscription in another video. Let's get started. Let me open the Suzuki Connect app. Since I was already logged in, so it will auto start. Scroll to the right and click on AC. Now on the top you can see schedule. Click on schedule. Once it loads, you can see I had already scheduled something for my next cold start, but I am going to delete it. You can edit or delete according to your wish. For me, I am going to delete it so that everyone knows how to actually do the same. So it is been removed and I get a notification of the same. Now to schedule it, click on add schedule at the bottom. You should always have the AC option active or checked. Secondly, select the temperature you decide. For me it is 25.5. Now if you want defroster or the rear defogger, you can select these options according to your wish. So now it has been rescheduled to 25.5 degrees. Okay, that's fine. If you want to repeat your operation, you can select the repeat option. Otherwise, if it is a one-time activity, you can click on one time. Select the date at the bottom. For me it is 13, which is in future. Now select the timing for which you want it. So for me it is 6 a.m. So I will select 6 a.m. and the duration, I think 4 minutes will be fine for me, for my requirement, but according to your requirement you can actually schedule, put the duration and click on schedule. Since you can see the schedule is already been created according to the requirements which we have pointed out, so it will get started at tomorrow, that is 13th of October at 6 a.m. Hope this video was very informative and you can schedule the idle stop and start according to your wish whenever you want for a Grand Vitara. Thank you so much.